Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make a really easy chia seed pudding with just these two ingredients, coconut milk and chia seeds. I love chia puddings. I've shared loads of variations in the past and lately I've just been loving it with simple coconut milk. Love the flavour of it. It is just so good. And as always, I've written a full blog post which I'll leave down below, which will have the simple recipe as well as loads of ideas for variations. There's so many ways you can enjoy a chia seed pudding. So let's just get on and make it. So I've got a bowl over here and I'm just going to pop half a cup of coconut milk in. And then I'm adding in 2 heaped tablespoons of chia seeds. Struggling to focus on this. 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. There you go, that's a bit better. Just try to readjust and let's move that out the way. And just mix through the chia seeds until they're all submerged in the coconut milk. And then it's just a matter of leaving it in the fridge for the chia seeds to do their magic. I like my texture really pudding-like, so I'm quite happy leaving it like this. You could also stick it into a blender and then the chia seeds blend in and it still has the same lovely thick pudding texture, but not quite as thick and chia-like, if that makes sense. Okay, I'm happy with that. And now it's going to go in the fridge and I'll show you once it's thickened up. And the coconut milk chia pudding has been in the fridge a few hours. You can see it's set, it's thickened up, it's completely hardened up just as a chia pudding should do. And if I pop a spoon in, you can see, oh, it's beautiful and thick and just how I like it. And it just makes such a lovely breakfast snack. You can adapt it to add chocolate in or berries. There's really so many ways you can enjoy a chia pudding, and I'll write all that down in the blog post below, so you've got loads of ideas how to enjoy it. But that is the video for today. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and comment to let me know how you like your chia pudding. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye.